Torchbeam T2 H11/H8/H9 LED bulbs.
The Torchbeam T2 H11/H8/H9 LED bulbs are an exceptional addition to any vehicle lighting system. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that these LED bulbs offer high performance and unparalleled durability. One notable feature of the Torchbeam T2 LED bulbs is their impressive operating life of 30,000 hours. This extended lifespan ensures that you won't need to worry about frequently replacing your bulbs, providing long-lasting brightness and reliability on the road. The Torchbeam T2 LED bulbs are manufactured by Torchbeam, a reputable brand known for producing high-quality automotive lighting solutions. This further adds to the credibility and reliability of the product. These LED bulbs come in a vibrant red color, adding a touch of style to your vehicle's exterior. The brushed exterior finish gives them a sleek and modern appearance, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your vehicle.